Hello students. Today we'll be learning a new project in Scratch and the title for that is Walking Sprites. For this project, we'll go to the stage, backgrounds tab, and here in the fill option, we will select this color, vertical gradient colors, and I can choose the first color and the second color. And then I will choose the paint bucket and click here. If it does not fill in the stage, convert to bitmap and then fill. So this is my background of the stage. Now in the sprites, I do not want the cat sprite, so I delete it. From the library of sprites, I choose a bear walking, a bear sprite which is walking. So this is my sprite here. I drag it and place it, but it looks too huge, so I decrease the size from 100 maybe to 66. That's a good size. Now if I click on costumes, you can see the bear has these different costumes showing the different actions of his legs as if he's going to walk. So we'll be using a command to make him look walking. So in the events, we will drag when the green flag is clicked. We first want to position the bear at this position every time we start the project. So from motion, we'll drag go to XY. So even if I drag the bear is here, but as soon as I press the green flag, it goes here. Now from events, we'll be getting the command called when this sprite is clicked. So when I click on the bear sprite, then I want him to start moving forward 10 steps and I want him to move forever. So from control, I'll get the forever block, and then from here when I run this, when I click on the sprite here, the bear keeps walking, but when it touches the edge, it should bounce back. So from motion, if on edge bounce. So now when I run this, it bounces back, but its body turns around. So from looks, from the motion, we'll get the set rotation style left, right. Place it outside the forever loop. And now when I run this, it is moving fast. But it's moving very, very fast. So from control, I'll get the wait block and place it inside the forever loop, wait for 0.2 seconds, and now it is running. But as I showed you, it has got different costumes and we have not changed these costumes yet. So to change the costumes, we go to looks and here we have the next costume block. So we place the next costume inside the forever loop, and now when I run this, so can you see the bear is changing its costumes and it gives the animation of a walking bear. So this is the coding for the bear. Now I stop this and we'll take another sprite of Avery walking. Here this is Avery walking, and again we place her here but change her size again to 66. Fine. Okay, so we start with events. When the green flag is clicked, I want her to be placed in this position, so we use the go to XY. So for go to XY, children, you must remember that first position the character wherever you want it to be positioned. After you position the character in this go to XY command, the X and Y coordinates, this is the X and Y at present for the Abbey character, -199 and 4. So these are showing here in the go to xy command. These were the earlier x and y. So we delete this, and this one I want to keep. So now when if she's moved here, as soon as I press the green flag, both the bear and the Abbey character move to their original position. Next command from events, when the Abbey sprite is clicked on, again from motion, first I will choose if set rotation left and right, and then if on edge bounce we'll be using, and also we'll be using move 10 steps, and from control we'll be using wait 1 second and make her wait supposedly 0.1 seconds, and this all should be in the forever loop. And also to change the action we have to go to looks, next costume. Okay, now when I click on the girl, she's walking, changing sprite, changing her costumes, and with a weight of only 0.1 second, she's walking very fast. So if you want her to walk slower, you can increase the number of waiting time. Now the third sprite we will take is of a bird or a dove that is flying. So this is the dove here. Again, we reduce the size 77, okay, or maybe 66. Okay, now again for him, we set the position when the green flag is clicked. From motion, go to this place. Then from events, when I click on the dove sprite, it should start moving. From motion, it should move 10 steps. Then it should, if it touches the edge, bounce back. Set the rotation left and right, and from control wait 1 second, and also this should happen repetitively, and this wait 1 I'll make it 0.2. Okay, now let me, okay, we forgot the next costume. So from looks we drag the next costume. Now when I click on the dove sprite, it starts changing its costumes and moves in the right side direction, because by default this direction is 90, and when it touches the edge the direction changed to minus 90, and here now changed to 90. But students, the dove should be flying all over the screen in different direction. So from motion we can bring the command point in direction in the beginning and change the direction to some random number, and then now when I click on the dove sprite, it's going to move in the direction 30, and as soon as it bounces it moves in another direction, it bounces, changes the direction again, and then again as it bounces. So the bird is flying all over the stage, and when I make it full screen supposingly, and I click on the Abbey character and the bear character, so we can see now all the three sprites are walking by changing their costumes. They're moving and moving all over the stage. I hope you enjoy making this project. See you. Happy coding.